It's WEIXY Christmas sale. Here you can use large coupons and enjoy free shipping by express. You can get $59 off for order amounts over 500 used. Simply use coupon code WXY59. Get $129 off for orders over 1,000 used. And get $269 off for orders over 2,000 used. And the largest coupon you can get is $699 used for order amount over 5,000 used. Now we will show you how to use the coupons. First, please go to www.autochips.com website. You can see the coupon codes under Christmas discount catalog. Now you can select the products you need by catalog. Add all the products you need to cart. Or search for the products on the search bar. Then you could check the cart and check out. Fill in your information. You can see the order is with free shipping. Choose your payment method. Fill in the coupon code here. Click the Submit button. Now you can see order already with $699 off. Place order now. Please note, Programmer Tool and Control Units are not participating in Christmas discount. Wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.